Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how we can try and fix this. So I'm going to start with the most common ways. So fix number one is to refresh and restart Chrome. So sometimes it's just a temporary loading bug. So to do that, we can completely close our browser or hit Control and F5 on your keyboard, and that's gonna reload your web browser or YouTube. Now the second fix here is to clear browser cache and cookies. Now I'm using Google Chrome, so for me I'm going to click on the three dots, and then from here I'm going to click onto settings. Now once we're inside of settings, on the left hand side we need to look for privacy and security. Now if we pay attention to the right, under privacy and security, we've got delete browsing data, but don't worry, we're not going to delete the data. We just want to check cookies and other site data and cached image and file. So just have those two checked. Make sure we've selected all time and then click on delete data. Now this fixes shorts freezing, black screens, or buffering glitches. Now the next fix we can do is go ahead to our extensions. So go ahead and click on your extensions tab, click on manage extensions, and then I suggest disabling every single extension here and then refreshing YouTube Shorts. Now if it is working, we'll go back to extensions and just enable these one by one to find out which one of these extension is the culprit. Now the next fix is to update your browser. So what we can do is go to Chrome settings help, so just chuck that in now and make sure Chrome is up to date and got the latest version. So you can see on mine, Chrome is up to date, version etc is currently running. If it says update, go ahead and click on update if it is available. Now the next fix is to try incognito mode. So on my Google Chrome, I'll click on the three dots, click on your incognito window. Now go to YouTube Shorts and see if that fixes the issue. Now another fix what we can try is open up a different web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. What we can do is load up Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, any one of them, and see if that fixes the issue. If it is, that means it is browser related.